Hello FYP-academy viewers. If you have problem with your camera raw filter section, and that error is GPU acceleration error, so there are some settings I show you here, and this might help you somehow. Here at the first, you need to go to graphic settings, and here just type graphic settings, and after opening graphic settings, there's one section right here, change default graphic settings. Click on it and let your slider to go to on, and also you have another job here you must do. You need to find your Photoshop program right here, and the best way is to click on browse and go to Photoshop program. When you install, click on option, then choose high performance, and then click on enter. After doing this job, you can open your Photoshop program, open one picture and go to filter section right here and click on camera raw filter. You can see that this part of Photoshop is working well, and there's no longer GPU acceleration error. And I need to tell you that sometimes your Windows is on a network and it has problems, and after one of the characteristics of this situation is that you can not update your Windows. Here I have also same problem, and I just reinstalled my Windows and upgraded from Windows 10 to Windows 11. I can tell you that there is also some section on graphic settings, same on Windows 10 right here, and you can go from off to on, and so acceleration problem will be solved, and there's no problem to run filter row section on Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. Bye.